here's how you can find a specific file on the iPhone. So let me guide you through it. If it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe so you never miss the upcoming videos and tutorials like this one. So the easiest, the quickest method is to be on the home screen, swipe down, go to this spotlight search mode and look up whatever you know about that file, right? So you can look something up if you know the particular file name, it's going to show it up right here. So it's possible there's a chance that you will find it right here. But it's not guaranteed, of course, because the best way would be to open up the Files app directly and go to the location where you think it might be. So you would likely go to the On My iPhone storage, and we have the search field at the top. And now we can as well look up files by the name. If we remember any part of the name, we can type that in, or you can also just look it up by the file type. So if I know that I'm looking for a PDF file, for example, I can look that up and decide that I specifically want to filter it, not by the name containing the phrase PDF, but by specifically PDF document. And right now you can see this is a grid or the list of every single file on my phone, which is of that format. You can obviously look up different file formats, but that way you would very likely find the specific file that you are going after, right? And then you can decide to do whatever you want with it. You can copy or move it to a different place or decide how you want to proceed with it. But the most important part is, of course, to find it and make sure you have it ready on your device. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to find your particular specific file. Let me know what you think and subscribe for more quick tips and guides like this one in the future. Thanks a lot, and I hope to see you later as well.